Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I will be trying to hit 1901 miles on my Indian Chief. So I got an email like a couple months ago about something called the 1901 Club, and I guess it's this thing that Indian does for newer motorcycles where if you hit 1901 miles on your odometer, you get a special little gift if you take a picture and you show it to like your local dealership. So I'm gonna test that out. I'm going to try to get to 1901 miles today, and I will go to the local dealer that I go to, Pitt Cycles, and see if I get anything cool. So I'll just put in a few like riding snippets today. It's just gonna be like a little riding montage or something, and then I'll probably cut in the gift part at the end if I get it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get scooting. Alright guys, so I just hit 1901 miles. You can see it says 0.4, but it's pretty close. I did have my GoPro on when it ticked over to 1901. I also had my 360 on too, so it should be good. I took a couple pictures with my face, and I took a picture with my visor down. I'll insert it here or something. But yeah, I have the 1901, so next time the dealership is open, I'll go give them a picture and see what I get. So for you guys it'll probably be like 2 seconds. For me it'll probably be a couple days, but yeah, so pretty proud of myself for getting to 1901. I know it's not many miles to most people, especially avid riders, but I don't have much time between work and other obligations, so I'm trying to make this summer a little different. Hopefully I can ride a little bit more, and as you know, I already put like 300 miles on this year now, so I'm trying to get there. I have a couple rides planned later on, so later on this summer, so we'll see how that goes. Should be able to bring a buddy of mine along and everything, so we'll see how that goes. Also, if you guys are curious about the check engine light, that is the clutch sensor. I'll show you guys right now. It's pretty nifty. You guys can go into sorry, fell asleep there. You can look here in the settings. It brings you to this where it has your VIN number and whatever, and then you can go to this little bike icon and you can hit the diagnostics and it'll show you what's wrong. So you can see, for me, it's the clutch switch signal. And I looked it up on the Indian forums. It's nothing too crazy. I think there's just an electronic switch somewhere in this housing here that went bad. Apparently it's known for that, so I think it's covered under warranty, so I scheduled some service to have that done. So we'll see what happens, but I think the only thing it does is it prevents you from starting the bike in gear. So if I were to pull the clutch in and try to start it right now, it wouldn't start. See, nothing. So I have to start the bike in neutral. But I think that's pretty much it. That's the only downside to having this wacky area here. But other than that, yeah. So, alright guys, I'll transition to the gift if I got one. Hey guys, so I got the package from Indian Motorcycle. Long story short, there was a little confusion at the dealership as to whether or not my bike qualified or not for the 1901 club. So I went to Indian Motorcycle themselves, and I emailed them, and they said, just send a picture and we'll verify if you have the correct mileage or not, and then go from there. So sure enough, I sent them the email and the pictures and everything, and they sent me a little package. So let me go ahead and get this outside of the box, and I'll show you guys what's inside. Alright, so I got it out of the box, and you can see it's pretty nifty. It says 1901. It's got the little Indian logo up there. So it opens just like this. And I've already taken a sneak peek. So it's pretty cool. They give you a little blurb here. You guys can pause and read it if you want to. Not sure how well this is going to come out on the GoPro or not, but there you go. And get a free little gift card thingy, good for $25. And I believe it expires next year, so that's pretty good. Not too shabby on that. And then the packing tape and everything in here. I haven't actually taken this out yet. It might be a little tough. There we go. Let me just move that to the side. And here we have it. Got ourselves a nice cup. It says 1901 on it. Looks pretty good. Seems pretty solid. It's pretty heavy. So we got that, and what's this? A sticker, I think? Yeah, it's definitely a sticker, 1901 Club. And, oh, you get a little patch too. That's nice. Looks pretty good. I don't know much about patches, but it looks nice. So yeah, that's about it that comes in there, guys. So there's a little coupon, a little patch, a sticker, and a cup, which is pretty nifty. It looks pretty good. Feels pretty solid. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. So if you liked watching the video and seeing me hit 1901 miles, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you guys like this kind of content, let me know, and I'll keep doing them. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.